I just saw was your body fly off into the map because you just flew the opposite direction from me. Dude, that grenade was perfect. It landed right on top of him.
I low-key just kind of lobbed that barrel in.
Oh, yeah.
No!
Oh, yeah, by the way, Yikes, you might want to retreat. There's like 4 of them coming to you.
I fight for the fatherland.
Okie dokie. Oh, well, Yikes. You want a Panzer Strike?
I got another one with a grenade.
I got another one with a Panzer Strike. My
Push
bad.
on them. Look at all these weapons. We fucking butchered them.
They're going to the backyard.
This is yep, I hear. This is low-key War is Hell simulator.
He shot me in mid-air with a rocket launcher. Hey.
Hell nah, hell nah.
Yo, get up. I'm not fighting. Woo! I want this.
Hell nah, hell nah.
It's always a rocket, dude.
Push for mommy. Push for daddy. Oh my god.
He was at low health.
Push for mommy. No! This is War is Hell.
I like how I just casually watch Olivia get brutally murdered in front of me. I think there's a guy upstairs. Yeah, there is.
Come on, push.
By the way, I think they might be pushing soon. Yikes, we must push him, brother.
He said, son, can you play me a melody? I'm not really
Problem
sure
solved.
how it goes, but it's short and it's sweet, and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes.
Ow. Oh my god, I got like a perfectly timed scream before you died.
Yeah, did you hear that?
Like, all I heard was that, like, I died, I look back, I see you, and then he points the rocket, and then it's like, I hear the explosion, and then it cuts off.
Did you hear the guy go cry about it, motherfucker? After he blew me up?
Yeah, I saw that. I witnessed your death.
It was very violent.
I mean, he killed me.
Best.
What a camper, bro. The real Russians need to stop being campers.
The Russians, I mean, they gotta use wave tactic.
Dog, most of these Russians have been sniping us more than anything.
I know.
They're actually being Russians.
No!
He's dead. I kind of like blew him
Push.
up.
Come on.
I see that. Nope. Fuck you. I see.
Oh!
What was that?
That was my death noise. I wish I could do the Wilhelm scream. That'd be fucking hilarious.
I used to do the I used to be able to do the Scooby Doo laugh. Okay. Oh my god, he's always in the freaking corner. Why are Russians using Thompsons?
Why? This is why true, bruh.
You good, Alex?
The rocket gameplay goes hard.
I just had the.
Yeah, I started this. So satisfying, yeah.
God damn.
No, you know what's funny about that, Yikes?
La-dee-da-dee-dee.
The second I said that's so satisfying, we got blown up.